Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix couldn't start Windows 64 shipping.exe error on your Windows or PC games. So the first thing you need to do is to open your game launcher such as Steam or Epic Games. For Steam, right click the game on your library, go to manage and select browse local files. Also for Epic Games, you need to click the three dots next to the game title and select manage or open install location. After that, this will open the file location of the game as see, so you need to find the main executable file. It is usually named on the game as see from here, like if you want to open Cyberpunk or any game you want, it will be named on the game plus Windows 64 shipping.exe as see from here. As see from here, it will be something like this. So after you do this, you need to right click on it and open the properties and go to compatibility tab as see from here. So from the compatibility tab, you need to run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. So after that, you need to close the folder and launch the game, and hopefully this will work with you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.